Today's September 8th, 2017. We're at 955 Lawrence Way, first level west. We are inspecting this 4-inch line. We have cabled it repeatedly. We have jetted it repeatedly. We've got it to the best condition that we can get it in. As you can see at the clean out, we are holding a small amount of water. Here at approximately 19 feet, you can see us tying in with the existing sanitary sewer. See no obvious damage, however this cast iron section before this point is pretty scaled up even after cabling and jetting this line. It is open, it is draining, there's nothing obstructing the pipe for future drainage.